Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, we got a new model, a couple models to add to our stash. Some cool stuff. And, let's get at it. So anyways, here is a little white Freightliner cab over. You know, in real life, I'm not really a big cab over fan in general. Uh, getting into those damn things are a pain in the ass. I have a hard enough time getting into my Western Star at work. Never mind something like this. But anyways, I guess this special kit has some kind of 75 anniversary edition to it. Has some fancy stuff here. So, anyways, I don't know. It's a 2-in-1 kit, tractor thing here. So, features uh, builds the SD and the DD version, new decals and colorful display stuff, whatever it is. I don't know. So yeah, I don't know. I like the box art. It's kind of cool. Nothing. Oh, I guess you can build it as a sleeper cab or day cab. Actually, I like the day cab overs myself. But I like. Oh, look at this. It has a little um, display thing here. That's cool. That'd be good for doing dioramas. Diorama idea. It says in a diorama display thing. I like this. This is actually really cool. I like this. Which, for the next model I'm going to show, this might be a good combination for that next model. I like that. I really like this style. You know, day cab, single axle. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah, I'm not open the box. So, oh well, maybe you should look at what we have here on the back side of it. Oh, it's cool. It shows you all different things. Yeah. So cab constellated freightway stripes, regular stripes for the day cab and the cab, the sleeper, and different stripes. Up there. That's cool. I've never seen that before. It's kind of different. Anyways, that's that kit there. And here is another kit I've been after for a long time. I can never get my hands on it. Look at that baby. That's a big gun. I've been after this trailer kit for quite a while. I can never find it in my price range. So, I don't know. Back when I see these kits for sale, I thought to myself, oh, they're too expensive. But the way things are now, most kits are expensive no matter how you look at it. So, anyways, I like this idea, and I actually like to build this with the single or tandem axle on that cab over for this project, for this trailer. And also do the same thing with the cars, put the cars in there, right? Or pickup trucks, because lots of those. Cars or pickup trucks, whatever, whichever fits better. And put the tarp over it. Of course, you don't see that nowadays, but maybe this was something they did back in the day. I don't know, put tarps on them. I don't know. It's like hauling boats, eh? Because when you see boats going down the highway, most of them are have the plastic shrink wrap plastic on them. That's kind of interesting. But I think it'd be very cool of a project to put the tarp on the cars and do that kind of style. So I kind of like that. I really like this old vintage trailers. I always liked them. Because I've built a few over the years. Actually, I built a car hauler. You go back in my videos, I think probably going back, probably 7-8 years ago. I built a car hauler, and that was quite the treat building that thing because it was really time consuming. But this year too, you could probably build it from scratch if you really wanted to, because it really is not that complicated of a trailer. So it's cool. It's cool, man. So, the trucks you could use to pull it are here. This Mack here, the Freightliner, Autocar GMC is a cool kit. I like that one. Freightliner, I mean the Freightliner, the Autocar is cool too. So, yeah. What do we got back here? Well, it just tells you the trailer, what we got, what it is, what it's not, the axles. That's kind of different. You don't see that too often. I've never seen it before, where they have the one brake canister to do both wheels. That's interesting. Huh. Well, I guess you see it. If it's on the kit, maybe it does exist that way. I don't know. I've never seen this one. I mean, it's probably a good idea for a trailer. It's probably a really good idea, having a single brake canister to apply the brakes on the brakes on both sides. So, but mind you, this is a lot of weight. I mean, to have this trailer must have been real heavy duty axle for this trailer in the back here to haul this weight. I mean, most times you see a trailer like this hauling these kind of cars, you'd see tandem, tris, even quad axles on these kind of trailers. That's pretty interesting. I wonder if it ever bowed in the center, or must have been built like a tank. These things. But anyways, we're not going to mess with it. I think we're going to build it stock and kind of build it. Try to find some pictures on somewhere. Look on the Google, find something interesting and cool, and just build it stock and see what kind of cars I'm going to put on there. So, in combination, I don't know if we're going to use the Freightliner with the white Freightliner with this kit or not. I'm not too sure. Maybe, maybe not. But it gives me a good idea to build that kit, day cab with that single axle. Even use a Ford. I mean, I think the model here, like the box art, has a Ford. There's a Ford on there right now. So that's good. That's a good combination. I mean, I can probably repurpose something. Take a Ford dump truck from something from your stash, where I have lots of those. Something with a dump truck, and just take the back of it off and put a hitch on the back. So we have a couple of those at work actually. They bought a couple trucks, and they had to repurpose them because their company's being too cheap. But they took a couple trucks and repurposed them. Made one a tanker and another one as a puller tractor. So, but anyways, there you have it. So that's what we're doing for there, and we're going to be doing some updates on some other projects we have going on the bench right now. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more future updates on models we're building. All right, thanks to the comments, the subscribers, and such. Remember to like and share, Remember to subscribe and like my videos. All right, boys, thanks for watching. See ya.